tuning in. This is episode 1. So I wanted to start off with making some short ribs. So what you'll need is salt and pepper, maybe some cayenne pepper, but that's optional. You'll need a pan with a rack. This is very important, a rack. Measuring cup, I use 1 cup is fine. Half a cup's fine too. Bowl for mixing, barbecue sauce, Coca-Cola. Okay? And of course, your ribs and aluminum foil. Okay? And a spoon to mix your stuff up together. Forgot my spoon. So, firstly, with the rack, with the pan, I actually went to Wise and they didn't have a pan with a rack. Oh my goodness. So I actually took this from a brownie pan, and they had a rack in it to cut up the brownies. I just took that out, bought that pan, and stuck it in here. Fits perfectly. So first you're going to, I cut my ribs in half because I needed to have room in my pan to fit them all in to marinate overnight. So I really only use salt and pepper and a little bit of cayenne pepper, which you don't have to use cayenne pepper, it's optional. I like a little kick with my stuff. So I set that overnight in the fridge. And then, so the next day now, which is day 2, preheat your oven to 250 degrees. And for your mixture that you're going to pour on top of them is your Coca-Cola and your barbecue sauce. Now I like the Cajun barbecue sauce. It's sugar-free and gluten-free, so it's your options. And I think all of their flavors are actually natural. It's really good. So you're going to add 2 part barbecue sauce to 1 part Coca-Cola. Okay, I'm going to say it again. 2 part barbecue sauce, 1 part Coca-Cola. Don't mess that up. So that's where your measuring cup comes into play. So these are actually going to cook for 4 hours, okay? Slow cook, 250, 4 hours. Every hour, you're going to baste your ribs. And you're going, when they go in the oven, you're going to tightly seal your aluminum foil, with your aluminum foil. Okay? So let's get started. We're going to check up on it in 1 hour. Okay, so what you want at the end is for it to fall right off the bone. That means you got it down perfectly.